What's going on, YouTube? We're in a different location because we actually have backyard space. We're at one of my brother's house, not blood brother, still family. And what we're gonna do today is we're gonna build him a fence. This is Mark. This is his house. We're building him a fence today. So we got leftover staves. What are these called? Not staves. Pickets. Pickets, obviously. Staves are something else. Staves are for, anyway, something else. But so we got leftover pickets. We're gonna put them this away. We got some 4x4s down here. We're gonna dig what, 2 feet into the ground. We're gonna dig them 2 feet down, and then we're gonna go ahead and build him a little fence. Let me walk over here with me. So these are all the pickets we're gonna be using and the 4x. Probably have to go to a big box store with the orange name that I probably can't say. It's probably get demonetized.
The Depot of Home?
Alright, so what we've got here is this trellis for the growing plants.
Which is probably going to have to be moved.
Yeah. Sander, put that back inside. Alright, we are back. This is where we're going to be ending up. So we're coming from this post here. We're going to go from this post, come all the way out to where I'm standing right about now, and we're going to go all the way that way. So you said what, 24 by 25?
Yeah.
24 by 25, and we're building him a fence to fence in his garden. Almost took out his son. And so that way the dog that's over there can't get at and eat his plants. All right. I'll get back with you when we're doing something important, or I don't know, maybe something interesting. But this is how we do things here. You get all your boys together and you just knock stuff out. This is the proper way to get stuff done. I'm gonna go actually help now instead of just standing here talking, since he's moving all the lumber. You heard what he just said?
What?
He goes, whoop, whoop, police. All right, we are back. So we got our first post in the ground. We are actually, just eyeball level, and then we put the actual level on it, and we are right there. So that's going to be a win. We're not going for, building a house on top of it. We're just going to go for basic structural stability. And she's pretty solid, surprisingly, for a couple of good old boys. It's got a little wiggle to it, but for a Carolina boot temp, it's not too bad. Just kind of like so. And then there's our first post. And then our rail is going to go on like this. We'll nip off the end so that they butt end to end. Really nice. Screw it into the fence that he's got. And then screw it into the post. Look, I got him digging holes now. Isn't that nice? I don't have to dig holes. Look at this. We're doing it. All right, now go faster. Hey, we got to have this done by the end of the day.
Yes, boss.
Everybody's fired. Just do it construction style. All right, tape measure. And then, so we're digging down 2 feet, like I said. Tape measure. Come on down with here. Going down 2 foot.
Further.
A little further.
A little further.
All right, so we're coming down 2 foot. That's on there nice and not secure at all. So we're coming down 2 foot and then putting a 6 foot post in, which means 4 foot. That's how math works. All right, let you know when we get our first row up, and then we'll start putting the slats on, the fence things. What are they called?
Pickets.
Pickets. I keep wanting to call them stiles, but the stiles are the ones that go this way. Anyways. We'll be back. And we're back. We had, whoa, I got caught on the cord, sorry. We had backup show up. Sam showed up. Where are you, Sam? Say hi.
Doses.
Doses. All right, Sam showed up. So we're fancy. So what we got here is we messed up, and by we I'm going to say me, messed up the second post in line, and it wasn't even. This face wasn't even with the rest of it. So now we put our corner post in, tied a string, and then we are remeasuring and remarking and then redigging these other 3 posts. And then once we get these 3,
Yeah, about 3.
we'll go ahead and we'll put on the stealing my tape measure straight out my pocket. Once we put those on, then we'll put the pickets on, and then we'll update you with that. Probably gonna be a fairly short video. There's not a whole lot to see.
You can split wood with that one.
All right, we are back. So we got
Spike.
all of ours in a row.
Split measures.
All these are in the row. They're gonna go to a big box store right about now to get some more. These guys, we need what? 3 more? 2 more? 3 more.
One there.
We got one here,
Because it's just 4 more that we need to put in the ground.
right there, and then so we need to build this back wall here, going from that post yonder to this post over here, and then we'll do a similar setup. Run a string. So what we did with this side, we measured off the house to the post to the end post.
We can actually run the string from this to the post.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Yeah.
So we ran it from that post to this post, and then measured off the house to make sure it was in line. Because with landscaping, you don't really get anything straight. You get it straight to, as in this wall is now straight to the house, which makes it look, you know, from the bird's eye, makes it look even this way.
Yeah.
We're not going for perfect. It's a garden fence, so I'm gonna go cut up about 1,614 of these pickets over here to 5-foot lengths, and they're gonna go to the store and, you know, maybe put it on a time lapse or something. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing.
We're going to have to trim some of these.
Are they not all at the same?
Well, considering that the ground's uneven.
Oh yeah. So the ground's uneven. Well, I reckon what we can do is give it the old sledgehammer tactic until she sits flush this way. Either way, I'm gonna probably go get some pizza.
We might just have to
Maybe.
level this off and then trim the tops.
Yeah.
That's probably the best way to do it.
Yep. Trim the tops off, or we'll figure it out. I don't know. It's a learning process. Get some pizza. Get a drink. Cut up all the boards.
Pizza roll.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are done. It has been a productive day. I am way late for dinner, so and getting in trouble with that as per usual. But we're done. Here we go. This
Your dad's.
is what it looks like.
Oh, wait a second. That high performance.
Say hi, boys.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it is.
Smart, Mark, Sam. But bring you on down. All we did was take the fence planks from leftover of this project, run them sideways, and a fence we have. Hold on, buddy. So next step for this one is going to be run some chicken wire so the dog can't get in. But let me bring you just all the way up, and we'll get some sort of aerial view of this thing.
Kind of like a bird's eye.
Hey, look, it's a Mark. There's a Sam.
And
But-
another mark.
And another Mark.
See, this is what happens when you have brothers.
Yeah, this is what men are supposed to do. Be with men and do projects. But
Yes.
hopefully, bring you on down. Hopefully that was enjoyable. I gotta get going because I'm late for dinner, as usual. But a couple of screw guns, a couple of saws, a level or two. For post hole diggers, and you too can have a fence as lovely as this. So, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.